Number 10. Brookskim. Most artists overcomplicate their art. This artist does the opposite. Brookskim's artwork represents a strong foundation in digital art fundamentals, combined with a polished and controlled execution that makes every piece feel complete. Their rendering style focuses heavily on smooth gradients, clean blending, and accurate lighting, which gives their art a professional and refined appearance. One of the most impressive aspects of Brookskim's work is the consistency. Every artwork maintains a similar level of quality, which shows a deep understanding of core principles like anatomy, value control, and color harmony. Instead of relying on overly complex details, Brookskim uses simplicity with precision, allowing the viewer to focus on the overall impact rather than getting lost in unnecessary elements. This approach makes their art especially valuable for beginners to study, as it demonstrates how mastering basics can lead to high-level results. At the same time, more experienced artists can appreciate the subtle decisions behind each stroke, from edge control to lighting placement. Brookskim's work is a reminder that great art doesn't always come from complexity, but from clarity, discipline, and strong fundamentals executed consistently. Kooleen. Kooleen has built a distinct identity in the digital art space by embracing simplicity and bold design choices rather than chasing hyperrealism. Their artwork focuses on strong shapes, clean silhouettes, and minimal yet effective rendering, which makes each piece instantly recognizable. What makes Kooleen stand out is the ability to convey personality and emotion with very limited details, something that many artists struggle with. The color palettes are often vibrant and well-balanced, helping the artwork pop even on small screens like mobile devices, which is a huge advantage in today's content-driven platforms. Another key aspect of Kooleen's work is efficiency. The art process is streamlined. 8. Yeliz. Yeliz's artwork is characterized by its soft, elegant, and emotionally engaging aesthetic. Each piece feels carefully crafted, with a strong emphasis on color harmony, lighting, and mood. Rather than focusing purely on technical rendering, Yeliz brings a sense of storytelling into their art, allowing viewers to connect with the characters on a deeper level. The use of gentle gradients, subtle highlights, and balanced compositions creates a dreamy atmosphere that makes the artwork feel almost cinematic. One of the most impressive qualities of Yeliz's work is the attention to small details. Facial expressions, posture, and lighting all work together to convey emotion without the need for complex backgrounds or excessive elements. This ability to communicate feeling through simplicity is what sets Yeliz apart. Their art demonstrates that digital illustration is not just about skill, but also about intention and storytelling. By focusing on mood and emotion, Yeliz creates pieces that stay with the viewer, making the artwork memorable long after it's seen. 7. Rinotuna. Rinotuna is widely recognized for a vibrant and energetic art style that blends anime inspiration with strong personal creativity. Their use of color is bold and expressive, often featuring high contrast and striking combinations that immediately grab attention. What makes Rinotuna's work stand out is the sense of movement and dynamism. Characters are rarely static, and compositions are designed to feel alive and engaging. The exaggeration in proportions and poses adds a unique flair, making each piece feel stylized rather than realistic. This approach allows Rinotuna to push creative boundaries and experiment with different ideas without being limited by traditional rules. Another important aspect of their work is the balance between chaos and control. While the colors and compositions may appear intense, there is still a clear structure that keeps everything visually pleasing. Rinotuna's art is a great example of how embracing a bold and unconventional style can help an artist stand out in a crowded space. It encourages other artists to take risks, experiment, and develop their own unique voice rather than following trends. 6. RossDraws. RossDraws, also known as RossTran, is one of the most influential digital artists in the online space, known for his vibrant, fantasy-inspired illustrations and strong storytelling approach. His artwork often features glowing lighting effects, soft gradients, and rich color palettes that create a magical and immersive atmosphere. One of the defining characteristics of RossDraws' style is the sense of life and personality in his characters. Each piece feels like a moment captured from a larger story. Beyond just technical skill, Ross emphasizes creativity and imagination, encouraging artists to think beyond realism and explore their own ideas. His energetic teaching style and online presence have inspired millions of artists around the world, making him not just a creator, but also an educator. Another key strength in his work is composition. Every element is placed with intention, guiding the viewer's eye through the artwork seamlessly. RossDraws shows that great art is not just about how well you can render, but about how effectively you can tell a story and create an emotional connection with your audience. 5. Lotus Bubble. Lotus Bubble's artwork stands out for its calming and soothing visual style, which creates a peaceful experience for the viewer. The use of soft colors, gentle lighting, and smooth transitions gives each piece a relaxing and almost dreamlike quality. Instead of focusing on high detail or dramatic contrasts, Lotus Bubble emphasizes mood and atmosphere, proving that subtlety can be just as powerful as complexity. The compositions are often simple yet effective, allowing the viewer to fully appreciate the overall aesthetic without distractions. This approach makes their art highly appealing in today's fast-paced digital environment, where calming visuals can provide a sense of escape. Another strength of Lotus Bubble's work is consistency in style. Each piece feels like part of a cohesive artistic identity. This not only makes their work recognizable, but also builds a strong connection with their audience. Lotus Bubble's art is a perfect example of how focusing on emotion and atmosphere can create a lasting impact, even without relying on intricate details or complex techniques. 4. Art of 666K. Art of 666K represents a more experimental and unconventional side of digital art, where creativity takes priority over traditional rules. Their work often features bold compositions, strong contrasts, and unique concepts that challenge the viewer's expectations. Instead of following established techniques, Art of 666K explores new ideas and approaches, making each piece feel fresh and unpredictable. This willingness to experiment is what makes their art stand out, as it pushes the boundaries of what digital art can be. Another notable aspect is the strong visual impact. Whether through color, composition, or subject matter, their artwork is designed to grab attention immediately. This makes it particularly effective for modern platforms where standing out is essential. Art of 666K's work serves as inspiration for artists who want to break away from conventional styles and develop something truly unique. It highlights the importance of creativity and individuality in a field that is often dominated by trends and repetition. 3. SamDoesArts. SamDoesArts, also known as Sam Yong, has gained massive popularity for his soft, appealing rendering style and highly attractive character designs. His artwork is known for smooth skin tones, warm lighting, and expressive facial features that instantly capture attention. One of the key strengths of Sam's work is the balance between simplicity and detail. He avoids overcomplicating his pieces while still maintaining a high level of polish. This makes his art both visually pleasing and accessible for beginners to learn from. Another important aspect is the emotional connection in his characters. Even simple portraits feel alive due to subtle expressions and thoughtful lighting choices. Sam's influence on the digital art community is significant, as many aspiring artists look up to his style and try to replicate his techniques. However, what truly sets him apart is not just the final result, but the clarity in his process, which shows that achieving great art is about making smart, intentional decisions rather than just adding more detail. 2. Guweiz. Guweiz is known for creating cinematic digital art that feels like a scene taken directly from a movie. His work often features characters placed in detailed environments, with a strong focus on lighting, atmosphere, and storytelling. The color palettes are usually muted yet impactful, allowing the lighting to take center stage and create a dramatic effect. One of the most impressive aspects of Guweiz's art is the sense of depth and realism, not necessarily through hyper-detailing, but through careful composition and value control. Each piece tells a story, often leaving room for interpretation, which makes the artwork more engaging for the viewer. Another strength is the integration of character and environment. Both elements work together seamlessly to create a cohesive scene. Guweiz work demonstrates how powerful storytelling can be in digital art, showing that a strong narrative can elevate even simple compositions into something extraordinary. 1. WLOP. WLOP is widely regarded as one of the most skilled digital artists in the world, known for his exceptional mastery of lighting, composition, and storytelling. His artwork combines intricate detail with a strong sense of clarity, ensuring that every element serves a purpose. One of the most defining features of WLOP style is his use of light. Whether it's soft ambient lighting or dramatic highlights, it always enhances the mood and guides the viewer's attention. His pieces often feel cinematic, as if they are part of a larger narrative, which adds depth and meaning beyond just visual appeal. Another remarkable aspect is the balance between realism and stylization. While the details are highly refined, the overall composition remains clean and easy to read. WLOP's ability to maintain this balance is what sets him apart from many other artists. His work not only showcases technical excellence, but also demonstrates a deep understanding of art as a form of storytelling. For many aspiring artists, WLOP represents the highest level of digital art, serving as both inspiration and a benchmark for what is possible with dedication and skill.